I'm from Wisconsin. What the hell do I know?
So we're day 3 in Nuremberg. Tomorrow we leave for Rome.
Yes.
I'm gonna go walk and get some Donner or something.
It's very popular here.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. So we ordered, I think it's turkey, and it was like €4, so it's really good. So we're back downtown Nuremberg, and we are just doing some shopping. And the boys are
a little bit more of the sights.
Yeah, because yesterday everything was closed because it was Sunday. So today's Monday. We get to see a little bit more. The boys are having their beer. You're actually allowed to have beer on the street here, which is totally different from Canada and America. So the boys are having a good time.
The moment's going, emotions flowing, my feelings growing for you. I said the moment's going,
So we just went to a supermarket and got apple cider for 79 cents, which is really cheap. I mean, it is in euros, but you would never find that at home.
Okay, we're at the Nuremberg River. As you can see, it's pretty beautiful here.
Would love to live there. I love lots of nice houses.
We just went to the supermarket, bought some ciders, 79 cents. The
actually
beer
really
was
good.
$1, and we're gonna go and enjoy it.
the moment's going, emotions flowing, my feelings growing for you. I said the moment's going, emotions flowing, my feelings growing for you. For you.
We're in the Nuremberg Castle at the Copernicus restaurant. You can see that. They have a really good radler. This is already my second, and it's good. The boys like the beer too, but me and Anna are not really into the beer. She's not even really into the radler.
I'll drink it though.
There's not a lot of other martinis here.
Give me
So-
booze.
The other day we actually ordered a Sprite. Well, she ordered a Coke and vodka, and they gave us the vodka shot and the Coke separate. It was a lot of Coke, a lot of Sprite, and it was
$11.
€11. €11 for that, so it's just not worth it. The
had to
beer
pull
is
a
cheaper than
mortgage for
water
drinks.
here. Okay, so that gold thing from yesterday.
Yes, is a well.
Yeah.
Apparently it was supposed to go on top of this church originally,
Over there. Yep.
but they decided to go against it and made it a well. And apparently it's good luck. And like a rumor that if you touch a certain ring on it and make a wish, it'll come true.
We just met up with Richard's friend Ben, who lives here, and
Was
No,
born
Ben-
here
Benedict.
and knows a lot
Benedict.
more than us.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the gold thing we were just talking about that we saw
Yes.
yesterday. We are off to
around like
dinner
this?
now. Ben, what is this thing?
That's the Saint Sebaldus Church.
We're in Dominic.
Ah, okay. Und einmal Tor vom Dorf.
The moment's going, emotions flowing, my feelings growing for you.
My dad was the
Richard enslaved really famous in Germany to just sit with
While he was there, a German guy came over, and they became best friends. They spent every holiday,
I'm from Wisconsin. What the hell do I know?
every
had a few
bowling
beers,
opportunity
so
together,
he's a
every
little
golfing
loud.
opportunity together. He said, you know what?
So we met these really nice people from Louisiana.
I'm from Wisconsin. What the hell do I know?
They're from Louisiana, and we had dinner together.
Gumbo for life.
Gumbo. We taught Richard how to make real gumbo.
Garlic. If you want to use real
So,
garlic.
pinch
the
how do you
tails
make
and suck
gumbo? Salt, pepper, garlic, paprika.
Real.
No. The Holy
Salt,
Trinity.
pepper, and
The
garlic.
Holy Trinity.
Yeah,
So you chop that shit up, grind it up,
And
chop
then
it.
then you take the cayenne pepper.
With your cayenne pepper. Okay. You make the noise. You make the noise. I got it.
Don't buy a little cayenne pepper.
No. We have big things.
Let's get the Costco one.
Yeah.
How much cayenne pepper do I throw at things, Anna?
A lot.
A
He
lot.
likes spice a lot.
That's how it has
Brings
to
out
be.
your sinuses.
Exactly.
And that's it. You put it on that
Always
hot
open
skillet.
window.
And a little lemon pepper. Am I right?
Lemon pepper on his wings.
Die weißen Nebel ziehen, die Sonne scheint ins Gwent. Tiroler Land, mein Heimatland, ich lieb dich ohne Ende.
How do you make gumbo? You start with the oil. You add the flour.
Make the roux.
From there, you add the Holy Trinity. What's the Holy Trinity?
Oh, I have hell. It's just everything you got in the pot.
No.
I know.
It's celery, green peppers, and onions.
Oh.
Do we lose Ben?
Was immer ihr auch wollt, und bloß euch auf der Krogen, uns tut's nicht wer uns folgt. Ich steh heut auf.
We're here in Germany, Nuremberg. It's my brother Bill.
I'm Prosit.
That's
From
right.
Louisiana.
Get everyone here. It's his wife. Say hello. That's Ben. Let's call him Benedict.
Hey.
Cheers. Anna. Dominique. That's Richard. So you see me. We're having a great time. And we're going to just discover Europe.
Deep philosophical discussions over beer. But at this point in time, we're outstripping the resources by overpopulating.
War ein Abenteuer schlechthin. Diese Nacht.
AKA
Das
Fan
ist
Health
Richard.
Fans Crazy.
Look at you. You're gonna walk into some trash.
A bunch of trash. Is that you, Dominique?
Me. That's an American ass, okay? An American ass. It's actually pretty crazy how we met these people over dinner and then they just came with us for drinks. And yeah, really nice people from... Where are they from?
I'm from Wisconsin. What the hell do I know?
Right now they live in Louisiana,
They live in Louisiana.
but they're from Milwaukee.
And they paid our bill.
They paid our bill, which is insane.
So
I'm gonna email them. We're gonna
Their
be
email. They don't have Facebook.
email
but
buddies.
I don't know why they don't have Facebook, but they definitely don't have YouTube.
Because they're
This is Richard having too much of a fun time. We're on our way back tomorrow. We're gonna catch the train to Munich. Super early, 5:10. And then we're gonna grab our flight to Rome, where we are gonna spend the day, see the night. This is the latest we've actually been out downtown because yesterday we went to bed pretty early. Not early, but yeah, we were tired, so